Welcome to Research Watch. Here you can catch the key idea of published research paper in less than 5 minutes. I hope it will help you to select the paper for your further reading, knowledge or research purposes. Viewers, today's paper is about prevalence of avian influenza H9N2 virus among wild and domesticated bird species across Pakistan. Amna Kausar is the lead author. Viewers, aim of this study was to determine the prevalence of avian influenza virus AIV in non-vaccinated wild and domesticated bird species across Pakistan. Viewers, during January to December 2013, in total 700 samples were collected from different species of non-vaccinated birds inhabiting diverse ecological zones of Pakistan. Altogether, 507 tissues and swab samples were screened for the presence of viral RNA by reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction. Same samples were further processed for the isolation of virus by embryonated egg inoculation technique. Moreover, out of 507 samples, 479 serum samples were scrutinized by enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay (ELISA). Overall, seroprevalence was 53% and average range of this hemagglutination inhibition HI antibody titer against AIV H9 remained 7 ± 3. Real-time PCR results showed 8.3%, 42 by 507 of the samples were positive for viral matrix gene. Subtyping was performed by specific anti-sera PCR gene positive isolates as subtype H9N2. Viewers, this is the first report from Pakistan that confirms prevalence of AIV H9N2 among different bird species across various regions of the country. AIV remains a pandemic threat, therefore vigilance for routine AIV surveillance programs and improved vaccination strategies are highly desirable. Viewers, this article was published in August 2018 in Pakistan Journal of Zoology. Viewers, I hope you found this video useful. I would really appreciate your feedback. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel. Please, thank you.